baby. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. We had some corn. We just washed the deck. The deck is clean. And you can see the size of baby Bambi. Bambi baby. And there's the deck. And that's how big is Bambi. Bambi is not big. You see, you can imagine how this small, right? He's a baby. Yum, yum, yum. It's oats with maple sugar flavor. Sugar is shaken out, sifted, and then rice cereal with all vitamins and has proteins and some sodium in it, and he likes it.